Good morning, students.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
sir.
Good morning.
Good
Good morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Good
Morning,
morning.
sir.
Yes. Yes. Sociology versus health and nursing. Previous class we had been learned that social components and health, their relations. Every aspect of health directly impact by the social components. First, we had been learned that the individual factors. Second, familial factors, how to affect the health. Then, religious factors. Next, we are going to deal with education and health. Is education affect health status of people? Is conduct research, medical sociologist. The finding is that the educated people having high health status than illiterate. The reason is that educated having alertness regarding diseases as well as having enough knowledge how to manage the disease, how to prevent the disease. Also, they know to access the healthcare services. So, educated people higher health status than illiterate. Then, economic and health. The economic status of people influence the health status. High economic people having more health status than low economic status. For example, this in classified as high class, middle class, or low class. Usually, high class people high economic status and high health status. But middle class people, medium level of health status, and low class people, lower level of health status. The reason is that the healthcare accessibilities. For example, if a person having more enough money can access all kinds of healthcare services than others, then disease pattern concern. For example, the rich people may experiencing chronic diseases such as cardiovascular, diabetes, but low class people experience may higher range of communicable as well as infectious diseases. Then occupation and health. Occupational hazards Every occupation having stress as well as some kind of hazards. For example, in hospital concern, nosocomial infections. Another aspect is that which type of job is that? Whether high category of job or lower category of job. The study finding is that high job positions, high health status. Lower job, for example, low class job, that people experience lower health status due to various reasons by means of the nature of work as well as remunerations. The high category of job, better salary and better facilities to away from the diseases. In nursing concern, occupational health nursing should be concerning to promote health and safety of people. Then community and health. Urban, rural, regional communities. The community factors, mainly type of community. Urban, people experiencing more health status than rural. The pattern of diseases are different. For example, in city places, a lot of facilities are available. Hospitals, corporate hospitals and facilities. But in rural, less opportunities to access the healthcare service, only primary healthcare services available. Also the environment concern, the rural is more nature than urban. So disease pattern change, communicable, non-communicable diseases. Then social groups and health. Every individual love to living within the group, friendship groups, formal as well as informal groups. Familial groups. We are students, educational groups. Then group choosiness is very important. Somebody maybe choose positive groups, experiencing positive health. Somebody select negative groups, which means a group may be harmful to self as well as others, which cause negative health effects. Mainly group dynamics, changes in the groups, changes in families, groups. We know that changes in friendship groups, informal groups, directly impact on health status of people. For example, one of the example, if a person choose alcoholic groups, cause the diseases, including physical and mental illness, affect health. Physical health, mental health, and social well-being. Next, welfare organizations and health. In our society, having number of welfare societies or organizations, governmental as well as non-governmental. Largely non-government, supported by government. For example, Central Social Welfare Board and NGOs concerning this, Red Cross, Lions Club. So these are the organizations work to promote health status of people in the society. So if a society having more welfare organizations have been promoting health status of people in concerning society. So the voluntary organization doing key role to determine health status of people in our society. Then political system and health. What is mean by political system? Political means government. They systematically govern the society. The health status are also governed by the politics by means of ministries, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, concerning people health status. And formulate policies, healthcare policies and programs, healthcare programs, including maternal health program, child health program, nutritional program, as we know that. Also, this government have been controlled this healthcare system, including health educational systems, medical education, nursing educations are controlled by government. So if a government having good programs and policies and people center program help to promote health status of people. So government is a vital institution to determine health status of people in our society. Empower physical health, mental health and social well-being. Then ecosystem and health. Students, we the people have been every day interact with the environment, physical, biological, socio-psychological and social environment. So when we have good interactions or positive relationship between this environment and man help to promote health. Negative interaction, which means our behavior may be harmful to environment. The degradation of environment caused to affect, not only affect the environmental health, which directly impact on health status of individuals in this society. Example, pollutions cause the diseases in modern society. Next, we are going to deal with physical health versus society. Physical health means well-being in body, For example, normal functioning of every organs, which means physical health. Is society affect well-being of internal organs? Yes. Everyday life, for example, some unpredictable situations, undesirable environment or situations cause to affect health status of people. For example, some undesirable information increasing stress. Stress is part of everyday life. If a person unable to cope with stress, which is first affect the mind, then directly impact on health of individual physical health. Mainly familial factors, religious, the educational factors affect the physical health status of people. That's why the social components are important to manage the diseases as well as prevent the physical illness. Mainly food habits should be concerned in the families. Then mental health and society. Is mental health affected by society? Yes. When we interact with the social situations or components familiar with us, our mind will be enjoy and become happier and healthier. Unfamiliar conditions or undesirable conditions which may cause to affect the mind and leads to various mental illness. Well, attitude is very important individual concern. Negative attitude towards self cause mental illness. Negative attitude towards religion, the society is responsible to determine mental health of people. Next, social well-being and society. What do you think about social well-being? Social means interaction. If a person unable to interact with any section of society, what will happen? For example, in a family, we can't interact with our parents. What do you experience? Feel stress and cause other difficulties, mental difficulties and physical difficulties. So social health is fundamental for other two types of health, including physical and mental. So if a person unable to interact with that sections of the populations or the society, which may be called as name as social which may be called as social disability. The range of social disorders here listed: familial disorganization, religious disabilities, economic disabilities, as well as concerning civil disabilities. So, students, social well being is fundamental for all other health. In other words, may be used by many of these thinkers, the spiritual health. What do you think about spiritual health? So, there is no difference between social health and spiritual health, which means a person become happier in life, can able to interact with every sections of the society and manage the society in every situations and cope with society, cope with the environment, so which is concerning. So this is a three important types of health determined by social components or society. So that section is over. Next we are going to detail about nursing. Society versus nursing. Can you define nursing? Nursing encompasses autonomous and collaborative care of individual of all ages. Sick, this already we had been learned this definition. I would like to give is all ages, families, groups, and communities, sick or well, and in all settings. Nursing includes the promotion of health, prevention of illness, and care of ill, disabled, dying people, advocacy, promotion of safe environment, research, participation in shaping health policy in patients, and health system management and education are key nursing roles. According to ICN, the keywords are autonomous care for all, everyone, everywhere, promotion, prevention, and shaping health policy, the nursing management and nursing education. Next, we are going to detail about a relation between sociology and nursing. Society, as we know that students need to conceptualize. We have been interact with these all the sections of the society, environment, family. The nursing concern 5 important functions. The important functions of nurses are care, cure, prevention, promotion, rehabilitation. What are the relation between social components and nursing? Family system and nursing, first we are going to discuss. In nursing concern, the study of family is a specialization. Family health nursing. The family data is essential for fundamental for nursing. Every aspect. First, caregiving. For example, write care plan on the basis of familial data. If family change, care plan will be changed. So family is a fundamental. So care only for family oriented care, need for every client. Next, religion, religious system and nursing. Religion means belief. Religion and nursing you will learn next section or next class. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Yes,
Thank
you
you,
can.
sir.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, sir.